Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my Flipkart haul. So recently there was very good discounts and offers going on Flipkart website. So there was big shopping days going on. So at that time I have shopped a little bit for myself. So there are mostly the products are makeup products and very less are skincare products that I've taken from Flipkart. So mostly the products that I bought I have got on flat 50% discount from Flipkart. So that's why I have taken all these products. Friends, I just love to shop from Flipkart because the products that I wanted to buy and those are on my wish list. I always get all those products at very good discounts. I just add all the products to my wish list, and whenever there are good discounts on those products and offers, at that time I only buy all those products. So friends, before continuing, if you like to watch such type of videos, then please subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload my videos you will get the notifications and you'll never miss out any of my videos. You can see I have kept all the products in one basket like this. Actually I have received all the products in different packages. I have removed all the products from the packages and I've kept it in this basket. You can see, so there are many products. So let's begin. So the first product that I wanted to show you are foundations. I've taken two foundations from Flipkart. So the first one is this one. This is Essence Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup Foundation, and I am in the shade 40. I have already tried this foundation and I'm wearing this foundation on my face right now. You can see. So actually this shade is a bit lighter to my skin tone. It looks a little bit whitish on me. It also oxidizes a little bit and also it calms down to my skin tone. If any one of you is one shade fairer than my skin tone, then definitely you can take this particular shade. That is the shade number 40. Foundation is really very good, and the price is little bit high. The price is mentioned, it is rupees 475, but I have taken this foundation on a flat 50% discount, and I got it at a very less price. That's why I bought this. Essence foundations are my favorite. I already have one foundation with me, and that is I just love that foundation so much. And this foundation also gives medium to high coverage. The second product that I have is Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, and I'm in the set 02. So already I have this foundation, the set 01, and it has a little bit of pink undertone, and this particular shade has a yellow undertone, so that's why I thought of trying this particular shade. And this is the perfect match for my skin tone. It has such a beautiful yellowish undertone which will look very beautiful on Indian skin tones. Indian fairer skin tones gives medium coverage, and it is also very budget friendly. And I've got this foundation also on a flat 50% discount. That's why I grabbed this, and the MRP is rupees 260. And this foundation also I just love to use, and it is my all-time favorite. So this is my second product. So next I've taken this product. This is makeup. This is the makeup fixer. This is Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer, and this is the outer packaging. It comes in black cardboard packaging like this. And this particular brand is also my favorite brand because all the products are cruelty free, vegan, there's a toxicity free, and also paraben free. So this product is also paraben free, and I have heard so many good things about this particular makeup fixer that it works really well. So that's why I thought of taking it. So you can see the bottle, and it is also very big. So there is 100 ml of product in this, which is very good quantity. And this product also, the MRP I am telling you, the MRP is rupees 649, which is very high. But I have got this also on a flat 50% discount. So I have got this for rupees 261 only. So I grabbed this. So next product that I have is this mascara. This is Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara, and already I have one mascara with me, that is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and that is my favorite, literally my favorite. That has become my favorite mascara. It is such a good mascara, and I highly recommend that one. And that mascara only I am wearing on my eyes right now. You can see it gives such a good volume, such a good curling effect, lengthens your lashes, and it looks like falsies literally. So it is a very good mascara for the price. So definitely that one you can try. And this one also I've got on a flat 50% discount, and the MRP of this particular mascara is rupees 245, but I've got this for rupees I think within rupees 150 I've got this on a very good discount. I will just show you the wand right now. You can see the wand is like this. It is a very big wand. So definitely I'm going to try this out and I'll let you know how this mascara is. So friends, if any one of you wants to take any Essence makeup products, then definitely you can check it out on flipkart.com. All the products are available on flipkart.com. And friends, this is not at all a sponsored video, and all these products also I have bought from my own money only. So don't think like I am promoting Flipkart or something. In whichever websites I get good discounts, good offers, so as I'm a makeup lover, whenever I see such type of great offers, I pick the products up and I buy. So friends, the next product is this one. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from the brand LA Colors. This is LA Colors Neon Sock eyeshadow palette. You can see the packaging is so beautiful. So since long time I wanted to take this particular palette, and it was always out of stock, or it was on a very high price, and the price is also a bit high. It is for rupees 900. The price is rupees 1250, which is very high. So always I wanted to buy this palette, but I never bought because of the price. I thought the price is very high, that's why I never bought it. I saw this particular palette is available for half the price for 50% discount. I think 55% discount was there, so that's why I grabbed this immediately when I saw this. This is the LA Colors Neon Sock Voltage eyeshadow palette. So friends, you can see the packaging. There's a good quality mirror given over here, and there's also a sticker on that mirror, so that the mirror is not tampered, or there are no impressions or anything on the mirror. So the mirror is really of really very good quality, and packaging I liked so much. And here also you can see. And friends, I haven't tried this palette till now, so I haven't opened it. There's this sticker over here, and it is sealed really well. The shades are very pretty. It has all the warm toned shades in this, and the metallic shades are very beautiful. They're very foiled, as you can see. It looks so pretty. These are all the metallic shades over here. So friends, definitely I'm going to give the swatches, and also I'll create an eye look using this palette, and I will share with you surely. So next I have taken this very affordable makeup brushes set from Flipkart, and this is the Skin Plus makeup brushes set, and there are 10 brushes in this package. So already I have reviewed this particular set, makeup brushes set, on my channel. So if you want to buy, you can definitely check my video. I will give the link in the description box. Truly speaking, they are not the best out there. They are not the best makeup brushes available in market, but according to the price they are good. You can definitely use them. If you're a beginner, then definitely you can use them to play with makeup, to experiment with different type of makeup looks, and to practice. And after that you can go for any high-end brushes. So according to the price, these are not bad, and definitely I recommend them. And mainly the eyeshadow brushes are very good in this particular makeup brushes set, which I liked so much. There are so many varieties of eyeshadow brushes, and face brushes are also really good. They're not very dense or fluffy, and definitely you can work with them. It's not like they do not work, or they do not blend makeup well. They do blend makeup well, so definitely you can try them out. The price is only rupees 180, and along with that I had to give some 48 rupees as shipping charge. So I have got this set for rupees 228, I guess, which is very less, very affordable. So next I've taken this one. This is a micellar water. This is Pond's Vitamin Micellar Cleansing Water, and this product also was available for flat 50% discount. That's why I have taken this. Pond's micellar waters are really very good, and they're very gentle on skin, and also they work well on removing waterproof makeup. So that's why I thought of buying another one for me. And as I'm a beauty blogger, so definitely I use this product regularly, as I do a lot of makeup and I have to remove my makeup really well. And removing makeup is also really very important to take care of our skin. So that's why I have taken this one, and this product also is really very good. There is also no paraben in this product, which is also a good part, and the MRP is rupees 299, but I've got this on a flat 50% discount. And this product I highly recommend to you all. So friends, next I've taken this sunscreen, and this is my all-time favorite sunscreen. I have already used this sunscreen before 2 times, and I think this is my third tube, and I've and I just love this particular sunscreen so much. And this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 plus, and with Helioplex broad spectrum UVA UVB PA triple plus. This particular sunscreen is actually whitish in color, but when you apply on your face, it totally gets absorbed to skin, and also it gives a very mattifying effect. So if you are having super oily skin, so definitely you can take this particular sunscreen. It is really very good for oily skin, and also you will not feel any tackiness or anything on your face, and also there is not much sweating after applying this particular sunscreen, which I like so much. And the MRP of this is only rupees 199. I got this for rupees 126, which is really very affordable. So definitely you can try this out, and this is the 30 ml tube. So friends, next I have bought this Biotic BioBringora Therapeutic Hair Oil, and as I have told you many times before, this is my favorite hair oil, and this is my all-time favorite hair oil, and this is also my regular use product. I use this hair oil regularly to oil my hair, and that's why I thought of purchasing this. This was also on some 40% discount, so that's why I've taken this, and this is the 120 ml bottle, and the price is rupees 159. Friends, this particular hair oil is very good for oily scalp, and if you are having hair fall issues also, you can definitely try this hair oil. It has bringerage, which is really very good for hair. So the last products that I have taken from Flipkart are these two products you can see, and this is the Nivea Protect and Care roll on. And friends, already I have shared many times with you, this particular roll on is my all-time favorite and my holy grail, and I love this particular roll on so much. The smell is very good, and also it provides odor control. And if you are sweating so much, then definitely you can take this particular roll-ons. They really work well in underarms. I use it on a day-to-day basis, so that's why I've taken these two, because it was available on flat 50% discount. So both these two roll-ons I've got in the price of one. So the price of one is rupees 185, but I've got these two for only rupees 162, which is even less than the MRP of one roll-on. So that's why I grabbed this, and I highly recommend these roll-ons to you all. You must buy and try this out. Friends, that's it. These are all the products that I've taken from Flipkart during the big shopping days that was going on recently, and I'm so much happy with all these products, and I'm definitely do a first impression, and I will share all these products. I'll do makeup looks, and I'll be sharing all these products with you all. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you like, then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So friends, I'll be back again with another such amazing video for you all. Till then, take care of your family really well, and take care of yourself. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Love you all.